Watchwood warning! Watchwood warning!
Flash flood warning.
Watchwood warning!
For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Fayette, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, north central Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 12:30 a.m. At 9:27 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bethel Park, McKeesport, Gastonville, West Mifflin, Baldwin, Whitehall, South Park Township, Jefferson Hills, Pleasant Hills, White Oak, Mont Essen, Clairton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 34,
Create
and
on the
between mile
screen.
markers 41 and 53. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 65 and 67. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers
Sorry,
of
let's
flooding.
get on here.
Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Alright guys, so if you want to see the radio relay, I'll do it in another video. And now, yeah, so now I'm going to resume the stream on here. And yeah, back to the, and then we'll go to the radio relay in just a minute.